This is FIMI Mini 3 and today I'll show how you can change the shooting mode on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to enter the camera view of the FIMI Navi Mini app. Here look at the top right corner, or not the corner but like the top right part of your display for this icon and tap on it. Depending on the shooting mode you'll select, it will look differently, so just look and click at the icon above the shutter button. And here you can switch between photograph, video, one-click video and panorama shooting modes. And within those modes in particular, you can also, for example, in the photo mode you can switch between single and lapse, and in the video mode you can change between normal recording, super night or also lapse. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.